Today, we're diving into a seriously revolutionary way to build powerful AI applications. And you know what the best part is? You absolutely do not need to be a data scientist or a pro developer to do any of it.
So, let me just ask you this. When you picture someone creating an AI-powered app, what comes to mind? Is it, lines and lines of complex code, crazy algorithms, and maybe years of super specialized training? And hey, for a really long time, you would have been totally right. AI was this niche thing, kind of locked away in a world that belonged to professional developers and data scientists. It was all pro code, and you needed some deep technical skills. But, well, that's all changing. Fast.
We are right in the middle of this massive shift in technology. The whole goal now is to empower everyone to build with AI. Yeah, we're talking about a full-blown low-code revolution that's making this stuff accessible to people in pretty much any role you can think of.
And sitting right at the heart of this whole revolution is the Microsoft Power Platform. Look, its purpose is actually really simple. To give anyone, I don't care if you're in HR or marketing or sales, a set of tools to build the solutions they actually need without ever having to write a single line of code. So the platform brings together all these powerful tools for building apps, automating workflows, digging into data, and even putting up websites. But here's the most important part, the real kicker. Generative AI is woven right into the fabric of all of these products, which makes them incredibly smart right out of the box.
All right, let's start with Copilot. Because honestly, this isn't just another feature. It's a completely different way to work. You've got to think of it less like a tool and more like an active partner, a collaborator that's right there with you while you're creating. So it's basically an AI companion that's designed to help you do your job better and a heck of a lot faster. It's right there alongside you, generating ideas, sparking new creative directions, and, just helping you get work done.
So how does this actually work? Well, it's ridiculously simple. You just describe what you want in plain English. Like, you could just say, every day, grab all the inspections that passed, then write up an email summary and attach an invoice. And boom, just like that, Copilot drafts the entire workflow for you. And what if you need to tweak it? You just keep talking to it. You could add, oh, and you know what? If the inspection fails, shoot an alert over to a Teams channel. It is a total game changer.
Okay, next up, AI Builder. This is where we go a level deeper. We're moving from just using a general assistant to actually infusing your very own custom AI models directly into your applications. And this is where the magic really happens with AI Builder. It lets you take your own business data, your documents, your images, all that historical info, and turn it into smart, automated actions. And again, all without needing to write any code.
So let's break down what you can do here. In the Documents category, you can use pre-built models for stuff like processing forms automatically, translating text on the fly, or detecting what language something is written in. For images, you can do things like detect objects in a photo or use text recognition to pull words right out of a picture. And with decisions, you can even use a prediction model to forecast what might happen next, all based on your past data. Pretty cool, right?
Okay, so you've got the platform and you've got these incredible AI models. The last piece of the puzzle is learning how to talk to them effectively. This is where you unlock the real power.
Now, you've probably heard this term prompt engineering thrown around, and it sounds all technical and intimidating, but it's really not. It's just the skill of crafting your request, your prompt, in a way that gets the AI to give you exactly what you're looking for. It's a skill anybody can learn. And a really great prompt just has 4 simple parts. First, the task. Be super clear about what you want the AI to do. Second, context. Give it the background info it's going to need. Third, expectation. Tell it what a good answer looks like. And finally, output. Specify the exact format you want the answer in. It's like a recipe for getting awesome results every single time.
And you can use this for so many of those everyday business problems. There are already pre-built prompts to help you get started with things like summarizing a super long email thread, classifying customer feedback, pulling specific info out of a PDF, analyzing the sentiment of a product review, or even drafting a really thoughtful reply to a customer complaint.
So if there's one thing to take away from all this, it's that the barrier to entry for building with AI, it's gone. It's vanished. The ability to create a powerful, customized AI solution isn't locked behind years of coding experience anymore. It's right there, just waiting for your instructions. Your first AI application is literally just 1 sentence away. So the only question left is, what are you going to build?